You want great tasting coffee, but coffee grounds make a mess, and it takes forever to get a cup of coffee. Your fridge is packed with sugary drinks and sodas. There's hardly room for anything else. Introducing the on-demand beverage system for your home or office from Essio, one of the most trusted names in purified waters. Now you can have hot, fresh coffee on demand, the perfect strength and flavor, any size, every time. Essio also delivers other perfect tasting healthy drinks on demand. Essio is so much more than a water cooler. It's a revolution in refreshment. Essio uses patented drop and drink technology to dispense hot and cold water, coffees, iced teas, juices, and other delicious drinks right from the machine, and all have less than 5 calories. Best of all, use the strength selector dial for the perfect taste on all your drinks. And just 3 boxes of Essio packs replace over 60 bottles in your refrigerator. Amazing!
We all like different drinks. When we change the Essio packs, the flavors never get mixed, so his juice doesn't taste like my peach tea. We all get healthy drinks, and I have more room in my fridge.
I tested coffee from all over the world. Let me tell you, Essio Blends is some of the best coffee I ever tasted. I recommend Essio coffee because it is 100% brewed to maintain a consistent full body and flavorful cup of coffee every time.
The Essio is always on, always full, always ready to give you the freshest drinks you've ever tasted, hot or cold, in almost any size cup, bottle, glass, or pitcher, all in just seconds.
Hi, I'm Franklin Essio, founder of the Essio Beverage Company. Call for your free demonstration of my Essio beverage system in the comfort of your home or office. Try my system just once and you'll agree. If it's not an Essio, it's just a water cooler.
Don't wait. Call now to schedule your risk-free, no-obligation trial demonstration of Essio today. Call now
for your free demonstration and get 2 boxes of Essio free.